Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do task 2 of your homework for today. So when you go to Thursday, January 28th to see your homework. So for task 1, it's the same article you read before. So you just read the article again and then answer some questions on the Word file. Please read the instructions carefully to see what you should do. Now for task 2, first please watch this video, which is the video that I am recording right now, to see how you need to do part B. Now we're going to go over it together. So click on part B. Now here there's a video which is going to explain how you can find the main idea of a text. So this is practically what we went over yesterday in our class. It's just a review. So click on the video. Now, as you can see, there are some numbers here at the bottom. So when you get to these numbers, the video will pause and then you will see a question that you have to answer. So let's watch the video. Okay, so now you can see that the video is paused and there's a question here for you to answer. So you have to fill in the blank. The main idea is the author wants me to know. You have to write your answer. Is the main point. And then you click here to check your answers. This is a correct answer. You click here again to move on. There's more explanation here. You click here again to go to watch the rest of the video. And this is how it goes. So the video will go on and it will pause at these numbers that you see here. And there are a couple of questions that you need to answer. So if you don't know, for example, the answer, or if you want to go back, say, okay, so you can read the question and find and check choose your answer here. But if you need to watch that part of the video again, you can just click on this back arrow here and then go back, and then you click here to move on. Okay, so this is how you're going to do task 2. Thank you, everyone.